Hello there. Welcome to Kuki Decor, where nature meets design. If you love the warmth and authenticity of handcrafted wooden furniture, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of nature-inspired organic wooden coffee tables, pieces that bring the beauty of the outdoors right into your home. Whether you're styling a sleek modern space or a cozy farmhouse retreat, a well-crafted wooden coffee table isn't just furniture, it's a statement piece. Each table we showcase is designed to celebrate the natural grain, organic shapes, and timeless charm of real wood, making every piece truly one of a kind. In this video, we'll explore stunning designs, share expert tips on choosing the perfect coffee table, and show you how to integrate these natural masterpieces into your home decor. Plus, stay tuned for a special feature on sustainable wood sourcing and why investing in quality craftsmanship makes all the difference. If you're passionate about home aesthetics, subscribe to Kuki Decor for more inspiration. Now, let's get started and find the perfect wooden coffee table for your space. A nature-inspired organic wooden coffee table is more than just a piece of furniture, it is an artistic representation of nature's beauty, seamlessly blending the raw and refined aspects of wood into a functional and stylish home accent. These tables capture the essence of the outdoors, bringing warmth, texture, and an organic feel into living spaces. Whether placed in a modern, minimalist home or a rustic farmhouse, an organic wooden coffee table serves as a grounding element, evoking a sense of tranquility and timelessness. The beauty of organic wooden coffee tables lies in their natural imperfections, knotty grains, live edges, rich textures, and earthy tones. Each piece tells a unique story, as no two slabs of wood are identical. This uniqueness allows homeowners to own a one-of-a-kind furniture piece that complements their interior style while also serving as a functional and decorative element. A coffee table made from natural wood not only enhances aesthetics but also connects people with the raw, unfiltered beauty of nature. The types of wood used for organic coffee tables play a crucial role in defining their character. Reclaimed wood, for instance, adds a rustic, weathered charm, carrying history within its grains. Hardwoods such as oak, walnut, teak, and acacia provide durability and a rich, deep color that matures beautifully over time. Softwoods like pine offer a lighter, more delicate aesthetic that pairs well with Scandinavian and contemporary interiors. No matter the choice, organic wooden coffee tables bring an element of authenticity and sustainability into a space. Live-edge coffee tables are among the most sought-after nature-inspired designs. These tables retain the natural shape of the tree trunk, preserving the raw, uneven edges that make them unique. The organic silhouette of a live-edge table serves as an art piece in itself, celebrating the irregularities and raw charm of the wood. Paired with metal or wooden legs, these tables effortlessly blend rustic and modern aesthetics, making them suitable for various interior styles. Another captivating design is the slab-style coffee table, which showcases a solid piece of wood with minimal alterations. The beauty of a thick wooden slab lies in its robustness and unfiltered expression of nature's craftsmanship. With visible grain patterns, knots, and cracks, these tables exude warmth and sophistication, adding an inviting atmosphere to any living space. When combined with natural stone, glass, or metal elements, slab tables achieve a balance between organic elegance and contemporary design. Root coffee tables are another remarkable example of nature-inspired furniture. Crafted from the roots of fallen trees, these tables boast an intricate and sculptural design, making them statement pieces in any home. The gnarled and twisted formations create a mesmerizing visual appeal, showcasing nature's artistic handiwork. Finished with a smooth glass top, root tables offer both functionality and aesthetic charm, making them a perfect addition to homes that embrace natural, earthy elements. For a more rustic and farmhouse-inspired approach, reclaimed wood coffee tables bring history and character into the home. These tables are crafted from salvaged wood, repurposed from old barns, ships, and buildings, adding a sense of nostalgia and sustainability. The weathered textures, faded patina, and occasional nail holes tell a story of time, making each table unique and rich with history. Reclaimed wood coffee tables pair beautifully with industrial, farmhouse, and Bohemian interiors, offering an eco-friendly and charming centerpiece. Tree stump coffee tables are another extraordinary choice for nature-inspired decor. These tables retain the raw, cylindrical form of a tree trunk, celebrating the natural rings, textures, and cracks that develop over time. Whether left raw and untreated or polished with a glossy finish, tree stump tables exude rustic elegance and create a cozy, inviting ambience. They can be used individually or grouped together to form a cluster of varying heights, adding a dynamic and artistic element to the room. For those who appreciate artistic craftsmanship, river tables are a stunning fusion of wood and resin. These tables feature a live-edge wooden slab with a flowing resin river running through the center. The resin can be customized in various colors, mimicking the look of water, lava, or even celestial landscapes. River tables offer a modern twist on organic wooden coffee tables, blending nature-inspired aesthetics with contemporary design elements. They serve as captivating conversation pieces, drawing attention to the interplay between wood and resin. Pairing organic wooden coffee tables with the right decor further enhances their natural charm. Complementing these tables with neutral-tone textiles, earth-tone ceramics, and lush greenery creates a harmonious and inviting space. Layering textures such as wool, linen, and jute rugs adds warmth and depth to the overall decor. Incorporating natural light further enhances the raw beauty of the wood, allowing its unique patterns and grains to shine. Aside from aesthetics, organic wooden coffee tables are also known for their sustainability. Many artisans and furniture makers focus on ethical sourcing, using reclaimed wood, sustainably harvested timber, or repurposed materials to create eco-friendly designs. Choosing a sustainably crafted wooden coffee table contributes to environmental conservation while adding a timeless, enduring piece to one's home. The durability of solid wood furniture ensures longevity, making it a valuable investment that withstands the test of time. Modern interior design embraces the contrast between raw, organic materials and sleek, minimalist aesthetics. Organic wooden coffee tables act as focal points in contemporary spaces, breaking the monotony of clean lines and polished surfaces. The juxtaposition of rugged wood against smooth concrete, steel, or glass creates an intriguing visual balance, adding character and warmth to an otherwise structured environment. Whether in an urban loft, a minimalist apartment, or a countryside retreat, wooden coffee tables seamlessly integrate into various settings. In farmhouse-style homes, organic wooden coffee tables play a significant role in evoking warmth and nostalgia. The combination of distressed wood, antique finishes, and handcrafted details enhances the rustic charm of farmhouse interiors. A weathered wooden coffee table placed at the heart of a cozy living room invites gatherings, storytelling, and moments of connection. Pairing these tables with vintage accessories, plush sofas, and layered textiles creates a welcoming and timeless aesthetic. Bohemian and eclectic interiors also embrace the organic appeal of wooden coffee tables. The free-spirited, artistic nature of boho decor pairs beautifully with the unrefined, earthy qualities of wood. Layering colorful rugs, patterned cushions, and handcrafted decor alongside an organic wooden coffee table results in a visually rich and inviting space. The incorporation of rattan, macrame, and artisanal pottery further enhances the Bohemian charm, making the coffee table a central element in the design. Incorporating a nature-inspired wooden coffee table into outdoor spaces is another innovative way to celebrate organic design. Whether placed on a patio, deck, or garden seating area, wooden coffee tables bring a sense of harmony with the surrounding environment. Weather-resistant finishes and protective coatings ensure longevity, allowing homeowners to enjoy the beauty of natural wood in their outdoor retreats. Paired with wooden benches, stone elements, and potted plants, these tables create a serene and cohesive outdoor oasis. The customization options for organic wooden coffee tables are endless, allowing homeowners to personalize their pieces according to their preferences. Custom finishes, leg designs, and table shapes cater to different aesthetic sensibilities, making each table a reflection of individual style. Some prefer the raw, unfinished look that showcases the natural textures of the wood, while others opt for refined, polished surfaces that exude elegance and sophistication. The versatility of wooden coffee tables ensures that they remain timeless, adapting to evolving interior trends and personal tastes. Ultimately, a nature-inspired organic wooden coffee table is more than just furniture. It is a connection to the natural world, a celebration of craftsmanship, and an artistic expression of timeless beauty. Whether one chooses a live-edge slab, a tree stump table, a reclaimed wood piece, or a river table, these organic designs enhance living spaces with warmth, texture, and authenticity. By embracing the charm of natural wood, homeowners create an environment that feels inviting, grounded, and in harmony with nature. As interior design continues to evolve, the enduring appeal of organic wooden coffee tables remains a testament to the power of nature in home decor. As we come to the end of this video, I hope you've been inspired by the beauty and craftsmanship of nature-inspired organic wooden coffee tables. These stunning pieces are more than just furniture, they bring warmth, character, and a sense of nature into your home, making every space feel more inviting and timeless. Whether you prefer the raw elegance of live-edge designs, the rustic charm of reclaimed wood, or the modern appeal of resin-infused river tables, there's a perfect coffee table to match your style. At Kuki Decor, we believe that home decor should be both beautiful and meaningful. Choosing an organic wooden coffee table is not only an aesthetic decision but also a step towards sustainability and appreciating the art of natural design. Every knot, grain, and texture tells a story, making each piece unique and full of character. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more home decor inspiration. Let us know in the comments, which coffee table style resonated with you the most. Are you drawn to the natural edges of a live-edge table, the history behind reclaimed wood, or the artistic beauty of river tables? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on stylish, nature-inspired home decor. Until next time, keep bringing the beauty of nature into your home with Kuki Decor.